Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's word with its synonyms, antonyms, and related idiom and phrases. My dear aspirants, Rome was not built in a day. Remember, every small effort counts when you are improving your vocabulary. So let's add another powerful word to your dictionary today, along with its antonyms, synonyms, and related idioms and phrases. So try to be the early bird who catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. So let's begin early today with one smart word, its antonyms, synonyms, and idiomatic expressions to boost your English skills. Success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who work with diligence, discipline, and determination every single day. So, my dear aspirants, be disciplined, be diligent, and be determined to achieve your goal. So, we are going to learn one more words. We have completed the word with ABC. Today's word is starting with the word alphabet D. Word is diligent. Diligent is an adjective. Diligent is an adjective which is showing care and effort in your work or duties. Like a diligent student, a diligent worker. You are right now a diligent student. So, diligent is an adjective meaning showing care and effort in your work or duties. Example sentences. She is a diligent student who always completes her assignments on time. Next example sentence is success comes only to those who are diligent in their efforts. Success comes only to those who are diligent in their efforts. My dear aspirants, kindly be diligent, be determined, be consistent. Maintain consistency, you will definitely achieve the goal. Synonyms of diligent is synonyms of diligent are hardworking, मेहनती, you know very well, industrious, assiduous, तन्मय, मेहनती, persistent, dedicated, committed, tireless, persevering, conscientious, attentive. So new words क्या क्या आए? Words are assiduous, persistent, dedicated, persevering, conscientious. कंसेंसियस, परसीवरिंग, दृढ़ता से प्रतिशील, कंसेंसियस, ईमानदार और मेहनती, एसिजस, तन्मय, मेहनती, persistent. Synonyms again, the words are hardworking, industrious. It means emphasize consistent effort and hard work. Conscientious means a strong sense of duty and care in your work. You are too conscientious means you are having a strong sense of duty and care in your work. Next word is meticulous, painstaking means you are able to bear pain of diligence. You are working day and night to achieve your goal. It implies extreme attention to detail and thoroughness. Again, synonym is tireless, indefatigable. It means you never seems to get tired. You are not giving up your ambition. Next synonym is persistent, steadfast. Persistent, steadfast, which means it highlights a refusal to give up even the face of any difficulty. You are persistent. You are steadfast. You are careful. You are thorough to perform any task with great attention to detail and accuracy. You are assiduous, you are sedulous. It means who is diligent, hardworking, pays close attention to their work. So these are synonyms of diligent, hardworking, industrious, assiduous, persistent, persistent, dedicated, committed, tireless, persevering, conscientious, and attentive. So new words are persistence, assiduous, persevering, conscientious, industrious, meticulous, painstaking, tireless, indefatigable, persistent, steadfast, careful, thorough, assiduous, sedulous. So these are the synonyms of diligent person. Antonyms just opposite. Means you are very lethargic, you are very lazy, you are idle, you are negligent in your work, you are careless, you are sluggish, you are having indifferent attitude, you are inattentive, you are irresponsible, you are lethargic, you are neglectful. So these are antonyms. You are in hibernation modes. You are not active. You are lazy. You are idle. You are sluggish. You are indifferent. You are inattentive. You are irresponsible. You are lethargic. You are neglectful. So idioms related to the main word diligent is burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means to work or study late in the night. It means you are working very hard. Example, you have to burn the midnight oil to finish the task on time. You have to burn the midnight oil to achieve your ambition. So burn the midnight oil means working very hard, working late night. Example sentences: she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. So burn the midnight oil means to work very late, past the end of the regular work day and late into the night, especially to study, to work very hard. Example sentences: when I was in college, most students were busy partying while I was busy burning the midnight oil. Means when I was in college, most students were busy in attending different types of party while I was busy burning the midnight oil. I was busy in achieving my goal, so I am studying late night. Burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night, to stay up late working or studying. You are working, you are doing hard work. So example sentences: she burned the midnight oil to finish her research paper on time. Next example sentences: John had to burn the midnight oil to meet the project deadline. Next example sentences: I have got to get this report finished by tomorrow, so I guess I will be burning the midnight oil tonight. I have got to get this report finished by tomorrow, so I guess I will be burning the midnight oil tonight. नेक्स्ट इडियम इज गो द एक्स्ट्रा माइल. गो द एक्स्ट्रा माइल्स अतिरिक्त प्रयास करना, बहुत मेहनत करना, स्पेशल एफर्ट देना, स्पेशल हार्ड वर्क करना टू अचीव समथिंग. गो द एक्स्ट्रा माइल, गो द एक्स्ट्रा माइल. इट मीन्स टू मेक ए स्पेशल एफर्ट, work harder than expected. You are working more than expected. You are doing providing, you are making special effort. Example sentence: a diligent teacher always goes the extra mile for students. A diligent teacher always goes the extra mile for students. Go the extra mile means to do more than expected. Example sentences: she always goes the extra mile to help her colleagues. Next example sentence: I always try to go the extra mile on my project because I want to get the next promotion. I always try to get the extra mile on my ambition because I want to be a doctor or IAS or IPS or banker as soon as possible. So go the extra mile means to do more than expected, to put in more effort, extra effort than expected, which is originating from the idea of going beyond the standard distance. See example, next example sentences: she always goes the extra mile to ensure her clients are satisfied. Go the extra mile and succeed in life, my dear aspirants. Always read, revise, practice, give the mock test on a daily basis, and go the extra mile. You will definitely succeed in life. So people of excellence go the extra mile to do what is right. Next idiom is keep one's nose to the grindstone. Keep one's nose to the grindstone. Grindstone, to work very hard without stopping. Without stopping, you are working late night. You are working very hard. You are going extra mile. So you are keeping one's nose to the grindstone. Means आप लगातार कड़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. To work hard and stay focused for a long time. अगर एक अटेम्प्ट में आपका एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं करना है, नो नीड टू बी डिसहर्टेन. आप जरूर क्रैक करेंगे, बट यू हैव टू कीप योर नोज टू द ग्राइंड स्टोन. आपको लगातार मेहनत करना है. यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर कंसिस्टेंसी. यू हैव टू बी परसिवरेंस. एग्जाम्पल क्या है सेंटेंस, ही सक्सीडेड बिकॉज ही kept his nose to the grindstone. My dear aspirants, you will also achieve your goal because you have to keep your nose to the grindstone. For this you have to keep your nose to the grindstone. आपको लगातार कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना, लगातार मेहनत करना है. So keep your nose to the grindstone means work very hard and consistently. Means consistency is required to achieve any goal. To achieve anything you have to keep your nose to the grindstone. So example sentences, he kept his nose to the grindstone all year and finally got promoted. So work hard all the time. If you want to get ahead in life, keep your nose to the grindstone. My dear aspirant, if you want to achieve your goals, you have to keep your nose to the grindstone. You have to work hard continuously. You have to maintain consistency. So keep your nose to the grindstone means to work hard continuously. Next is idiom is bear down, knuckle down. Bear down, knuckle down. It means to start working seriously and with full effort on something. You are concentrated. You are putting your hard work to achieve any goal. Bear down, knuckle down means you are working very seriously. You are giving your full effort on something. You are concentrated and giving your hard work, putting your hard work to achieve your ambition, to achieve your goal. Example sentence, you will have to bear down if you want to pass the exam. Bear down means पूरा ध्यान लगाना. एक बियर डाउन मीन्स होता है, बियर मीन्स होता है टू टॉलरेट करना. यहाँ बियर डाउन का मतलब हो रहा है पूरा ध्यान लगाना. यू विल हैव टू बियर डाउन इफ यू वांट टू पास द एग्जाम, इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक एनी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. सो यू विल हैव टू बियर डाउन. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल सेंटेंस, इट इज टाइम टू नकल डाउन एंड फिनिश द प्रोजेक्ट बिफोर द डेडलाइन. It is time to knuckle down and finish the project before the deadline. So knuckle down means लगन से काम करना. Knuckle down means बहुत ही कड़ी मेहनत करना और लगन से काम करना. So it is time to knuckle down and finish the project before the deadline. Next example sentence, after the holidays the students knuckle down to prepare for their finals. So knuckle down means you are reading, you are working hard very seriously. Knuckle down. Next idiom is hammer away, peg away. Hammer away, peg away. Hammer away or peg away. It means to keep working hard at something continuously and persistently, even if progress is slow. It means to put consistent effort into achieving a goal. So it is only mantra of your success also. You have to put your consistent effort to achieve your goal. So hammer away or peg away. To work hard at something continuously, persistently, even if progress is slow or even if result is not coming within 1 or 2 years, you will definitely get your ambition, achieve your ambition. So example sentences are, she kept hammering away at her studies until she understood the topic completely. वो लगातार पढ़ती रही जब तक वो टॉपिक को समझ नहीं पाई. So she kept hammering away at her studies until she understood the topic completely. So hammering away means पूरी तरह से समझना. इस जगह पे हुआ. Then again, the team pegged away at the project for months before it was finally completed. The team pegged away at the project for months before it was finally completed. Pegged away means continuously मेहनत करता रहा. You now example sentence other is, for you my dear aspirants, if you keep hammering away, success will surely come your way. My dear aspirants, if you keep hammering away, success will surely come your way. So keep hammering away. लगातार मेहनत करो. So hammer में peg away, it means to work hard. Example sentence, she kept hammering away at the difficult math problem until she solved. So वो उस पे लगातार कोशिश करती रही जब तक वो मैथ्स का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हुआ. So she kept hammering away. And against hammer away means also to repeat this repeated point or repeats any task. To keep talking about a subject or idea, especially if you disapprove of it or want others to understand it. अगर तुम चाह रहे हो उस चीज को रिपीट कर रहे हो कि उस चीज को अप्रूवल मिल जाए, दूसरा उसको समझे, टू दैट in that sense also we are using hammer away in our sentences, this phrasal verb. He kept hammering away at his point about the importance of climate action at the meeting. वो लगातार हैमरिंग अवे करते रहा, उन अपनी सारे मीटिंग में मेंबर्स को समझाने की कोशिश करते रहा इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ क्लाइमेट को. So he kept hammering away at his point about the importance of climate action at the meeting. So hammering away, hammer away means to work hard also, and hammer away means to repeat a point also. So the two meaning of phrasal verb hammer away. Peg away means to work steadily, to work consistently and persistently. So to work at something consistently and with persistence. Example sentence, it means to maintain continuity. So they pegged away at the project, making slow but steady progress. Next, peg away means to treat constipation. And now, as a noun, peg can refer to a specific laxative powder which is used to treat constipation by drawing water into the intestine and softening stool. So there are two meanings. The peg away means to work steadily. Hard work is required for, and consistency and persistence is required. Second meaning is to treat constipation. So phrase is related to diligent or diligent worker, diligent efforts, diligent practice. So my dear student, be a diligent student. Put your diligent efforts, give diligent practice of mock tests, you will definitely achieve your goal. So consistency is the key of success. Positive thoughts leads to positive outcomes. So, and now phrasal verbs for diligent is stick to something. Phrasal verbs, another phrasal verbs for diligent are you are stick to something means you are continuously doing something with consistency and persistent without giving up. किसी काम पर आप डटे हुए हैं, लगातार करते रहना. So see example sentences. She always stick to her goals until she achieves them. My dear aspirants, you also stick to your goals until you achieve them. आप उसमें लगे रहिए. वर्क ऑन समथिंग मीन्स टू पुट एफर्ट एंड अटेंशन इनटू इंप्रूविंग योर completing a task. Work on something means you are putting your effort, you are giving your attention into improving or completing a task. He is working, example sentences. He is working on his communication skills every day. So now, like this, we are learning one word on a daily basis. So we are improving our communication skills every day. So we are working on our communication skills every day by learning one word daily with its antonym and synonyms, related idioms and phrases. So working on means improving something. Next idioms, next phrasal verbs are carry on with something. Carry on with something means continuously doing something despite any difficulties. Carry on, carry on. Carry on with something. She carried on studying even during tough times. She carried on studying even during tough time. कठिन समय में भी पढ़ाई जारी रखी आप. Next phrasal verb is plug away at something. It means keep working hard and steadily for a long time. आप लगातार मेहनत करते रहिए. No need to be feel tired and no need to feel disheartened, desperated that I'm not getting success. Plug away at something. So he kept plugging away at his thesis until it was perfect. You also keep plugging away at your preparation until you will achieve your goals. Plug away means keep working hard and steadily for a long time. Now, next phrasal verb is keep at something. Keep at something means continuously doing something with determination, with full effort, strong effort. So, दृढ़ता और मेहनत से किसी कार्य को करते रहना. Example sentences. If you keep at your studies, you will succeed. My dear aspirant, if you keep at your studies, you will definitely succeed. So these are the best fit for diligent, stick to, plug away, keep it. These are phrasal verbs which are beautifully convey the quality of hardworking, highly determined, highly perseverance, consistent persons. So we have learned one word. The main word is diligent and many idioms related with it and phrasal verbs, phrases. So kindly practice it on your daily basis. You use all these idioms and phrases in your daily communication, and it is helpful for your competitive exam also. So go the extra mile and succeed in life. My dear aspirants, go the extra mile, succeed in life. You will definitely achieve your goals. Tomorrow we will learn one more new powerful words along with its idiom and phrases.